Hello, Maria Yesenia Salinas Escobar from the Environmental Energy Program. I belong to the state of Tunja. I live in Convita, Boyacá. Short frame light detector. The dialogue beginning was when Mike explained to Dane that they take some days with the lead detector to the people who want to work in the company. The interviewed Dane said, should the connect me to something? The interview Mike said, no, we have a new lie detector 30,000 that with the least good of tick. My side tag del ailier. Then side that the grass is blue. Tick. That he was a black man. Tick. My side tag to say something, try to calibrate the lie detector. Then side that he had been a penny of 30.5 centimeters. My size tag where the machine must have tripled. Then side that's where the machine must have tripled. Then side that was true that the average with pennies 30.5 centimeters or 33. Tick. When the size 33. My side. How cold he like wind thoughts. An official comment in inside. Was Mike able to summon the mission statement? My side that if he sent in last night, tick. My side that he had been sent in that morning, tick. My side that he had not sent it. The mice did not so. The officer said mine was the best. Tick. The officer said he was going to war and his dad. Tick. The official time I was going to play Angry Birds on my cell iPhone and was away. My side, please say your full name. Dan side, Danny Christopher Hanson. My side, that what if it was true that he lived in 14449 Sierra Bonita Avenue. Dan side, yes, apartment 3. My side, that what do you do it? Dan and his question to what my side? No, what can you like with so a big penis? That signs I feel uncomfortable with the question. My side, but he will sorry. My goose, but and writer is size. Danny said that my was very worried about his penis and asked him, "Are you gay?" My side that he was not homosexual. The machine sounds tick 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 tick. My side that was homosexual, but that the soul not spread it because nobody can eat it, and the tick 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 missile every dude come the side I ask every John my side that what if he had been fed from a hop, then his side that he had been not fitted. Tick, tick, tick. It is finished, yes. My side that if he had been stolen in a hop, then it is that $100. Tick, tick, tick. Then is side that fine. $100. Tick, tick, tick. Then is side $4,479.3. Yes. My side, that was a lot of money. They said that he had been cancer. Tick, 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 tick. Don't buy me aboard that the key causes cancer. My say that it was going to be honest. That's the entire with gone will. Tick, 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 tick. My son, that was towards intervene. He had been in, but there is a company policy that they show us one last question. Danny said, okay. Mickey said that it Danny will have said with another man to get the hope. Danny said, no. Tick, 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 tick. My side that he was hit. Bye bye.